Question 13. Simplify 2a times 5b. Well, 2 times 5 is 10, and a times b is ab. 10ab. Simplify 3x plus 2y's plus 5x's minus a y. Well, let's look at the x's. I've got 3x and another plus 5x. So that's going to give me 8x. Then I've got plus 2y. Take away a y, which is just going to leave me with plus a y. 8x plus y. Number 14. Work out 23 times 15. Now, a couple of ways you could do this. The kind of traditional way would be to go 23 times 15 and do a standard long multiplication sum. Okay, and I get the answer 345. Or you might have said, okay, I know 23 times 10 is 230. So I know 23 times 5 is half of 230, which is 115. And so if that's 23 times 10, 10 23s, 5 23s, add them up, and you'll get 15 23s. So you could have thought about it in those two ways, or maybe in other ways as well. Question 15. 120 people were at a hockey match. Okay. Each person was asked if they wanted to stand or sit. 75 of the people were female. Okay. 29 of the males wanted to stand and 30 people wanted to sit. I think we're going to have to read that through several times. Use the information to complete the frequency tree. Okay, so the first thing here is that we start with our 120 and we've got to decide how many are male, how many are female. Let's start at the beginning. 75 of the people were female. Okay, so 75 were female. So I can work out how many were male by doing 120 minus 75. 120 minus 75 is 45. So there must have been 45 male spectators. Okay, right. So I've used this piece of information. Let's have a look at the next piece of information. 29 of the males wanted to stand. Aha, so here are the males. 29 want to stand, which means that there must be some sitting males. 45 minus 29, so 16 males sitting down. Okay, I've used that piece of information. Right, 30 of the people wanted to sit. Well, I've got 16 males sitting, and 30 people want to sit all together. So 30 take away 16. There must be 14 females who want to sit. So that must be 14 there. How am I going to... So I've used that piece of information. How am I going to fill in this last bit? Well, there are 75 females. 14 of them want to sit. So 61 of them must want to stand. So that is my frequency tree filled in. One of the 120 people is chosen at random. Okay, well, here they all are. Here are the 120 people. Some of them are men who want to sit. Some of them are men who want to stand. Some of them are females who want to sit. And some of them are females who want to stand. Let's have a look. One of the 120 people is chosen. Write down the probability this person is a male, okay, who wants to stand. So it's one of those, isn't it? So it must be 29 out of 120. Okay, right, that is the end of question 15.